Hey guys, so I logged into my Amazon merch dashboard today. The first time I've logged in for about 2 weeks, and this is what I saw. In the last 7 days, I've made my first ever t-shirt sales on Amazon merch. And not just one sale, I've actually sold 2 t-shirts in the last 7 days, each a different design of t-shirt. So this was a complete surprise to me and actually changed the video that I'm making for you today. So in this video, I'm going to talk to you about how I got those first 2 sales, what my process was of designing shirts, how long it took to get those sales, and all that type of information. So thanks for watching this channel, Starting Up, all about selling online and building brands. And I've been having problems with Amazon merch. I've been using the program for about maybe 3 to 4 weeks, and I hadn't made any sales I was aware of until this week. You know, I was getting quite disheartened. I had a lot of questions that I wasn't sure about, like how long you should leave designs up, the types of designs you should be doing. A lot of uncertainty and a lot of like conflicts inside me, like is this actually worthwhile, is it going to work? So I was actually planning on making a video about my problems with Amazon merch today. So I logged onto the dashboard this morning to do some research for my video that was going to be a bit negative about Amazon merch. And to my surprise, as I mentioned earlier, I've actually made 2 sales in the last 7 days. I just haven't been keeping my eye on the ball, and these sales have slipped under the radar without me realizing. So that video about the downside and the potential problems you can have with Amazon merch will come in the future, but this video is going to be about how I got my first sales on Amazon merch, the designs that I got the sales from, why I chose the designs, how long I left the designs up there, and all that sort of stuff. So let's jump into the computer again, look at the designs that sold, and try and find the most useful information to share with you guys. So the first of my shirts designs that I've sold one of this week is this fearless motivational t-shirt. So I got the inspiration to do this shirt because I wanted to make some t-shirts in the motivation, entrepreneur sort of niche. And this is one of the designs that I came up with after doing my initial research. And I'll show you the research process in a short while. And this is the second t-shirt design that I sold this week. It's a Black is Beautiful, Black Pride, African American t-shirt. You may be aware that the movie Black Panther was released this week, and it's actually Black History Month. So that's probably one of the reasons why this shirt sold. And that was all taken into consideration when I did my research. But I'll show you my research properly in just a second. And if you want to see most of the t-shirts that I've designed for inspiration, or even just to buy one and support this channel, you can see all of my shirts at amazon.com/shop/starting-up. So, what was my method for designing these t-shirts? Why did I choose those topics, those niches, and how long did it take for the sales to come through? So, when I started off doing my Amazon research, I learned about this thing Amazon has called the best seller rank. So the best seller rank can be found quite far down on the product page, all the way down here. So here we're looking at a t-shirt from Shane Dawson, the popular YouTuber. He sells a lot of t-shirts through Amazon merch. And the bestseller rank for this t-shirt in particular can be found all the way down here. You can see Amazon's bestsellers rank 1,636. So what Amazon basically does with this bestsellers rank is #1, if you were the #1 bestseller rank on Amazon, you'd be the most high selling products on Amazon. You'd be selling a ton of products every day if you were rated #1 of the best sellers. And the higher the number, the lower the amount of sales you can get per day for that product. So a product that maybe had, I don't know, a bestsellers rank of 20,000, maybe you could expect that selling like 4 to 5 items a day. So if a t-shirt had a bestsellers rank of 20,000, for this purpose, let's assume it's selling 4 to 5 t-shirts a day. But if another t-shirt you found had a bestsellers rank of 500 rather than 20,000, we could, for this purpose, expect it to be selling 100 t-shirts a day. So the lower that number on the bestsellers rank, the more t-shirts of that design that are being sold every day. So for this Shane Dawson t-shirt, oh my god, with this pig on top of it, I guess it's got something to do with his channel and his audience and the, you know, the people that follow him. It's probably like an inside joke, but there's bestseller rank of 1,636. So we can assume this t-shirt is selling a lot of t-shirts every day. So what I basically did is I looked at the t-shirts that had the lowest bestseller rank. So the number was lowest, like, you know, between 1 to 1,000 or between 1 and 100,000, 500,000. I wanted to get the t-shirts that had the best scoring bestseller rank, so selling the most shirts of that design, and basically use those designs as inspiration because it's already a proven formula. You know that niche, that topic that the shirt design is based on is in popular demand and it's selling a lot of shirts. Amazon's telling you this information. So when I went ahead and did the designs for this Fearless t-shirt and also for this Black is Beautiful t-shirt, I did a lot of research. I typed in a lot of search terms, a lot of different topics into the Amazon search bar. And I knew some of the general topics that I wanted to sell in. So I wanted to sell to maybe entrepreneurs or like motivated people. So I typed in motivation or entrepreneurship. And from looking at those designs and drilling down and finding alternatives, I found that the word fearless was a very popular selling word on Amazon shirts. You know, some shirts with the word fearless had a bestseller rank lower than 500,000, so 300,000, 200,000, which says that they probably sell at least 1 or 2 shirts a day. So I thought, I'm going to do my own shirt design with the word fearless. It's within my niche, it's within the motivation or entrepreneur niche that I wanted to target, and I know that that exact word gets sales every day. So I did a fearless t-shirt. The same thing happened with the Black is Beautiful shirt. When I was doing my research in January, I found that Black Pride, Black History Month t-shirts were selling a lot by looking at the bestseller rank of a lot of these t-shirts in that topic. So I decided to do my own design within the Black History Month topic, and the results speak for themselves. And that's pretty much my method. Look at what is currently selling well on Amazon, the topics they're under, the design style, maybe the keywords they're using, and use those as inspiration for your own designs. It's simple. You know, I'm not an advanced graphic designer myself. I've got a little bit of Photoshop knowledge, but by no means am I a designer. And I was able to sell these 2 shirts as a complete rookie to Amazon merch, not really knowing much about how Amazon works as a system, how the keywords work and stuff. I just used this very basic research method and was able to sell my first 2 shirts. I've still got a lot to learn. Like, I don't know how long you should wait typically to know if a shirt is gonna sell or not. Like, what is the hottest period after your initial upload to get sales before those sales naturally drop off? Like, I don't know how long to wait before writing off a design as not profitable. I uploaded these shirts about 3 weeks ago and just left them, focused on other stuff. Wasn't really checking on Amazon merch, and it's in the last week that I got these 2 sales. So it took about 2.5 weeks to get these sales. But I don't know if that's a typical amount of time or not. I've still got a lot to learn. But what I'm trying to say is, it doesn't matter if you're a graphic designer, an Amazon expert, you can get started with Amazon merch and start making sales early on. So I'd recommend joining Amazon merch if you want to start selling t-shirts online, and I'd also recommend joining the Starting Up Facebook mastermind group by going to www.startstartingup.com, popping your email address in, and I'll send you a link to the private Facebook group, and then you can talk to like-minded people who are also doing t-shirt sales, whether it's on Shopify, Amazon, share advice, ask questions, and basically increase your chances of making sales online. So make sure to sign up to the Starting Up Facebook group at startstartingup.com. Really, join Amazon merch. It's completely free to join the program and to start selling t-shirts on there. Join it if you want to start selling t-shirts online and making money. Subscribe to this channel if you're interested in selling online. And as always, I really appreciate you all watching. Leave a comment in the comment box below if you've got your own method of selling shirts on Amazon, or if you've got any questions for me, and I'll try and help you with my very basic beginner knowledge. And I'm going to be making more videos on Amazon merch in the future, so as I get better with Amazon merch, I can give you better advice moving forwards. So thanks for watching as always. Next video will be on Thursday, and I'll see you very soon.